so different, being me is like the lottery. I am so on like the TV when you fall asleep. Niggas making pottery, but I broke the mold. Now my shit is got 'em dancing like a baby oak and fall. Yes, I got a lust for life, and I drink my weight in whiskey. And these hoes are acting different cause I'm rich, comma Richie. These friends are iffy, they're alcoholic geniuses. I think they hang around until I'm drunk and buy them Guinnesses. I gotta drink my medicine to cover what's inside of me. I'm still fucked up from the days nobody liked me. I'm lying just a little when I say that I don't give a fuck. You know I gotta give a fuck. You know I gotta give a fuck. My face is broken out, my shirt is hand me down. This kid named Vincent wanna take my shirt and lay me out. I'm trying to fit in like a fat bitch in her shoe size. It's funny how I'm flyer now than witches on their broom rides. I always thought these new clothes were the potion, cause I never felt that good in my own skin. It's probably cause I'm the only black kid in my school, and when I meet another black kid they tell me I'm a fool. Cause I wear these tight clothes, tight jeans, tight shirt. Yeah, I stay tight like these girls that make my dick hurt. Yeah, I'm self-conscious, go ahead, laugh it up. Cause I dig deep and pull something out to back it up. They told my ass to blacken up. What the fuck are you? You don't even say shit. Quit writing gay shit. Now when they see me have to squint like Asians.